and amazing, but it also comes with its disadvantages. You need to look upon this. You might regret it later. No, legit, no one tells you this. I don't even know why. Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. This is me being Gopika. And today I am going to tell you 6 major points that you must remember before going to Delhi University. So let's get started. First, not every person you see in college is kind. People might seem kind, protective, and supportive to you, but trust me, many of them would be there for you just for their own benefit. I'm not saying कि वहाँ पे सब लोग ऐसे हैं, but बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे हैं. So you actually need time to differentiate between the right ones and the fake ones. And majority chances यही हैं कि the people you actually find in the starting days of your college might be the ones you would be having a terrible fight after 6 months, because after 6 months jealousy aa jati hai, like there's a lot of thing, competition and all, and then it actually helps you reveal who your true ones are. So choose wisely. Second, there's something different about DU's era. Like, the environment might be suffocating. You know why? Because everyone out there is either a debater, a singer, or maybe a national level player. And you know what might feel sad is कि तुम कुछ कर नहीं रहे हो. You might feel कि you're not good enough, you're not worthy enough. But wait for your right time. उस time पे try exploring your options, what all you can learn, and then choose the best niche for yourself, and then work upon yourself. Don't run into many directions just because you want to be everything. Third is safety, and I'm really surprised why no one talks about it. When you come to Delhi, I think one of the major issue is your safety. And trust me, your safety is in your hands, because though campuses say that they are actually taking care of the safety, but I have barely seen any measures in North Campus. So girlies, please, you listen up. Always carry a pepper spray with you wherever you go, and make sure to always go out in groups. That would be more better for you. And as you all know, you are staying much far from your parents, so make sure you take care of yourself, because you are your own responsibility. No one is going to take care of you. And don't trust people blindly, so be aware of the kind of friend circle you're among with. Fourth, Delhi University is like an extreme. Now Delhi University gives you many opportunities, like golden opportunities, which can take a person from average to the highest. So there are many golden opportunities in different fields which you can have a look at and explore and actually give your best at. But if I talk about the pros, there's always a con that exists. As a person can go from here, the highest, a person can go from the average to the lowest. So make sure to choose your friend circle wisely, and always make sure to stay away from all sort of nashedi banti, like alcohol, cigarettes and all. So be in a friend circle that is not involved in such thing. See, तुम्हारे घर वालों ने तुम्हें यहाँ पे इसलिए भेजा है so that you can have a bright future, not such stuffs. So keep yourself out from all of these things. Fifth, Delhi University life is also about surviving. Like, seriously, before you come to your hostel, make sure to learn how to do laundry and a little bit of थोड़ी बहुत cooking apart from Maggi. Because hostel की सूखी रोटी and dal से कभी-कभी you won't be able to digest. So make sure you have some alternates, and make sure कि learn some extra skills as well, and carry all the utensils and all the items which might be required for you. And if you want me to make a video on that, hostel essentials, so let me know. I'll make sure before you land into the college. Sixth, and trust me, this is the most important point, and I don't know why don't people talk much about this. This is, make your LinkedIn account. See, to be very honest, I had an elder sister. She guided me since first year, and I was like कि क्या ज़रूरत है LinkedIn बनाने की. But I started making LinkedIn in second year, and I really felt कि शायद मैंने अपनी दीदी की बात मान ली होती, and I should have started in first year. Like, obviously you can start later on as well, but जल्दी start करोगे उतना ज़्यादा benefit होगा. Basically, LinkedIn is a professional platform. It has a many pros which can actually help you land your dream internships. So please don't ignore LinkedIn if you really want to get good internships. And if you want me to make a guide on how to do internships and how to actually make account on LinkedIn and how to actually grow on LinkedIn, then I'll guide you, because I myself have 5,000 followers on LinkedIn, and currently I have 300,000 plus impressions on my LinkedIn. So I would be the right one to guide you. Thank you everyone, and that's all for this video. If you want to make If you want me to make more such videos and any other topic, then do let me know and pin me in the comment section. And if you have any more doubts, then also comment section is just yours, open for you all. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe my channel to make sure you do not miss any important things about college and about my beautiful life. Till the time, see you. Bye bye.